This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this narrow bike seat cushion. If you're like me and you know I got a Van Powers kind of mountain bike here, this has a very narrow seat on there because a lot of mountain bike seats are very narrow. That thing is tough. Well, you know what? On my bum, it's a little tough. So I figured what I'd do is get this bike cushion, and this has a memory cell foam built into it. I don't know how well you can see it. It's got this silicone like print on the bottom to keep it from moving around. And I think this is a kind of like a rain cover maybe. So if you're leaving it out, you can cover up your seat. Let's go ahead. Let's put this thing on here and let me show you how it works. Oh, I like how they gave a reflector on the back. So now I've got an additional reflector on the back, and it seems to use, I think this is called an eclipse lock. You see how that works? This just flows down like that, and then we'll tuck the string up on there. So put it on the bike. We'll just run it like this. And by the way, this only fits narrow seats. If you got a big wide seat, this ain't gonna work for you. So pulling it around like this. Oh yeah, that fits. See, and it fits on there tight. That's kind of what you want. So I'll pull this down, tighten that up. Now see what it's doing? It's just tightening up all around it. And then I'm gonna tuck these strings right up in there like that. Now we got a seat cushion right there, and it looks like it's got a good inside right here, kind of like a relief in the middle, and it goes around like that. Very nice padded. Let's sit out on it and let's see what it kind of feels like while I'm sitting on it. Or actually, let's try the cover on it first and see how that looks. Okay, so if it's about to rain on you, you got to leave your bike somewhere. There it goes, like that. There's like a shower cap for your bike. How about that, everybody? That's nice. I like that. I like that feature right there. Let's go ahead. And this has a dropper post. So we'll push that down. Let's see how that feels. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. It seems like it got rid of that pressure point that's right there and right there. That feels a lot better. It seems to like pad out more right there, and then it's more comfortable going forward right there. And by the way, this is the Van Powers Grand Teton Ultra. I highly recommend this bike too. I'll leave a link to that below. This has been a really good, this is kind of like a mountain bike meets an e-bike. One of the things was this had a very tough seat, and it's not a big deal when you're mountain biking. I'm wearing my mountain biking shorts, but if I'm just doing a quick trip to town or on the light duty bike trails, I want my, I want to be a little more padding up there. But so yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the narrow seat bike cushion with memory cell. Check that out. Got memory cell in there. Look how deep that goes down in there. See you guys on the next video.